Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Migrant Hope channel. My name is Charlene and today we are going to be diving into 5 different reasons why you should consider becoming a CPA. Now, a CPA stands for Certified Public Accountant and I am licensed in the state of New York. I'll be telling you guys some of the reasons and things that you should consider as to why you should definitely get licensed and why you should sit for the exam and the whole shebang. That's what we'll be talking about today. I'll catch you guys in the video. Before we jump into the video, it would be so essential that you watch my other video which has a lot of information about what CPAs do and kind of what you can do as part of becoming a CPA. Now, one of the reasons I would really encourage you to consider becoming a CPA is because being a CPA allows you a lot of job flexibility. What I mean by this is, as a CPA, you get to do account, you could do audit, you could do tax, you could be a bookkeeper, you could be a regular accountant. There's a whole broad spectrum of what you can do and the flexibility, in terms of job opportunities, in terms of having your own practice. So one of the biggest reasons why people would say become a CPA is because it allows you a lot of job and room for flexibility. There are a lot of, every company needs an accountant, every company would need a bookkeeper, right? So that you have all your books and all your financial records in place. And that's what the CPA, part of what a CPA can do, and that's how it's going to be able to benefit you. So the second reason why you should definitely consider taking the CPA exam and becoming a certified public accountant is it allows a lot of career and job security. Now, I know although we are millennials, we don't care that much about security, but being a CPA would definitely allow you that, because every company needs an accountant. Like I mentioned, you need a bookkeeper. If you're trying to go public, you have to be certified by a public accounting firm, independent. There's a lot of opportunity. It's one of the professions that most of the time it's hard to lack a job. You may not get exactly what you want, but it doesn't mean that there are not opportunities. So it allows a lot of career flexibility. It also allows a lot of mobility and security for you. Now, the third reason why you would definitely want to consider becoming a CPA is because of the cha-ching, the money, right, guys? I'm all about the money these days in 2021, where the money resides. It's all about the money. So because you get to have a lot of opportunities, whether it's working for a firm, whether it's working for a company in industry, or working for yourself, doing people's books, doing people's taxes, auditing different companies, it allows you the possibility of having a lot of money depending on your capacity and how busy you can get. You can have as many clients as you want, and that would definitely help you, of course, put money in your pocket. So becoming a CPA allows you the opportunity to get a lot of money through many different sources. So because the CPA exam and the CPA credentials are recognized all over the world, it also allows you opportunity to be able to position yourself internationally. Although it is a US exam, I took the US one, I took the New York one, it still allows you the opportunity to be able to say, okay, if I want to go work in Europe, or if I want to go work in, Africa, or if you want to go work in Asia, any of the different continents, right? It allows you that flexibility, and it allows other countries to be able to recognize you. So that's another beneficial point in which you need to become a CPA for. And the last reason why you definitely want to consider getting your CPA license and becoming a CPA is because it allows you to travel. I did share before, when I was doing audit, or have been doing audit for a couple of years now, I got the opportunity to be able to travel a lot, prior to COVID and everything. But being a CPA also allows you the flexibility. You need to watch my other video, which I'm going to put here, there. I really don't know what side I'm on, but it's going to talk about the difference between audit and tax. Now, tax, you may not travel as much, but audit, you tend to travel quite a bit. But of course, still falls under the whole umbrella of becoming a CPA. So that's another reason why you should consider doing it, or definitely getting that certification.